Do you ever wish you can talk to your future or past self? Today, we're going to do that by writing ourselves some letters and showing ourselves some love. Welcome back to the Right Time. Our prompt today is all about letter writing. Writing letters to ourselves is a great way to organize our thoughts, practice self-care, and stay creative. By writing a letter to your future self, you can remind yourself of events currently happening in your life, set future goals and ambitions, and acknowledge anything you want to change. Or you can have some fun and do it in reverse. By writing a letter to your past self, you can reflect on memories or events, give yourself advice you might have needed, and recognize your accomplishments. And of course, in both, it's a great way to show some self-love. You can get started with these simple steps. First, decide what version of yourself you want to write to. I'm going to write a letter to my future self. Next, write the date and start your letter by addressing yourself in the third person. Then, decide what you will say. In my letter, I'm going to write about current events and set some goals. When you are finished, remember to sign it with your name. When you finish your letter, decide on a date when you want to read it. Then, you can tuck it into the back of your journal, seal it in an envelope, or keep it in a safe place you'll remember. This is a great way of recognizing your personal growth in a time where it might feel easy to focus on negativity. If you enjoyed this exercise, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a future video. Remember, it's never the wrong time to write. See you next time.